In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kling AI multi-elements. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine element, scene, and style references to guide Kling AI toward the look you want. First, open the Kling AI app and log in. Make sure your account has an active subscription because this feature uses credits each time you generate. It's a good idea to check your credit balance before you start so you don't get interrupted mid-workflow. From the home page, head to Image Generation. You'll likely see an option labeled Image 3.0. Note that multi-elements isn't available in 3.0, so don't worry if you don't see it there. Instead, switch to Image 2.1. That's the model that supports the multi-elements workflow we're using today. Once you're in Image 2.1, open the Elements section. Click Element, then choose Select from History. This lets you reuse images you've previously worked with inside Kling. Pick the images you want as your elements. These are typically your primary subjects or objects like a character, a product, or a prop. Click. Confirm to lock in your selections. For best results, choose clean, well-lit references with clear silhouettes or facial angles, and keep your selections consistent if you want continuity across outputs. Next, move to the Scene section. Click Select from History again and choose a scene or environment image. Think of this as the world your elements will live in: a street, a studio setup, a natural landscape, or an interior. Confirm your choice. Aim for scene references that match your intended camera angle and lighting direction so your final image feels cohesive. Now open Styles. Click Select from History and pick a style reference that captures the overall aesthetic you want. Maybe a painterly look, a cinematic grade, or a specific color palette. Confirm to apply it. Try to keep the style reference compatible with your subject and scene. Mixing vastly different aesthetics can confuse the output. With your references in place, add a clear, concise prompt. Describe the subject, action, setting, and any must-have details that the references don't fully convey. Then click Generate. Kling AI will draw from your elements for subject guidance, scenes for environment, and styles for the visual finish, blending them with your prompt to produce the final image. Keep an eye on credit usage while it renders. When the result appears, evaluate how well it matches your intent. If something feels off, iterate by refining your references or tightening your prompt. Small tweaks, like swapping a style reference or clarifying lighting, can make a big difference. That's the multi-elements workflow in Kling AI end to end.